Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove your resume on the Indeed website. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.indeed.com, which will then lead you to its official website. Here all you need to do is sign in to your account first by clicking on the sign in button. So after you click on to continue with Google or any other options, you will get signed in into your account. So now all you need to do is click on the profile icon. So after clicking on profile icon, you need to click on the profile option as well, which will then lead you to this page where you can find the edit option. So you need to click on the pencil icon and then click on the three buttons besides the public option. So here you can find the delete my Indeed resume option, which you need to click on. So you need to press on yes, remove my Indeed resume option. Then your resume will be deleted from your Indeed account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.